Suzuki Motorcycle error codes. If you're looking for help fixing your Suzuki motorcycle, look no further. Our comprehensive Suzuki Motorcycle error code guide will explain common issues, provide tips, and show you how to read your model's error codes. C14. Throttle position sensor. C15. Engine coolant temperature sensor. C21. Intake air temperature sensor. C22. Atmospheric pressure sensor. C23. TIPOVER sensor. C24. Ignition signal number 1. C25. Ignition signal number 2. C26. Ignition signal number 3. C27. Ignition signal number 4. C28. Secondary throttle valve actuator. C29. Secondary throttle position sensor. C30. Secondary throttle control unit. C31. Gear position sensor. C32. Injector signal number 1. C33. Injector signal number 2. C34. Injector signal number 3. C35. Injector signal number 4. C41. Fuel pump control system. C42. Ignition switch signal. C46. Exhaust control valve actuator. Source GSXR.com